Greetings, everybody. I'm Naveen Suri, Head of Communications Industry Solutions at Cognizant. Network as a Service, also commonly referred to as NAS, platforms allow CSPs to expose telco capabilities to third-party service providers in a programmatic manner through open APIs. These open APIs pave the way for transforming telco networks into programmable service platforms, enabling the integration of the network with a third-party service provider with frictionless interactions between them. This is a win-win situation for both the stakeholders involved. For CSPs, this represents a huge business opportunity to generate new revenues from the B2B to X market segments, and one of the ways to monetize the 5G investments, access, and edge computing. For third-party service providers, this is an exceptional opportunity to be part of a new ecosystem and create new services. The existing process for purchasing network services from CSPs today is not really aligned with customer expectations for digital-first and on-demand experiences. CSPs need to decompose their network assets and make network services available as API-enabled products. The network needs to be elastic to allow for bandwidth changes, for scaling, and for healing. Let's take an example. A CSP's business customer who provides security safeguards and services for special events at stadiums or public venues may need to have access to a higher quality of service on demand. The customer can use NAS APIs, not only monitor connectivity, but also set a policy to configure an automatic upgrade of service or upgrade manually at the tap of a button. We are absolutely delighted to have AT&T and Telecom Italia as our two champions. Our members include Amdocs, Brilio, TCS, HCL, Tech, and Cognizant, who together are creating a new TM Forum NAS API that will ensure that an application deployed on the cloud by a third party finds a path to the most performant broadband connection at the right time. These new network APIs open new businesses for CSPs, for hyperscalers, and app producers by improving the experience of purchasing network services, drive innovation in the industry, and increase the total addressable market for these services through the introduction of value-added products. Our team will be showcasing these achievements in ODA, Open API, Network as a Service at DTW in Copenhagen from the 19th to the 21st September this year. We'll be delighted if you were to join us for an in-depth discussion. Have a lovely day.